Here's how to create a store. Select the user button at the bottom of the screen. Next, click Create a Store. Give your store a name and a username. Next, choose a store type. You can choose retail, home business, reseller, or secondhand seller. If you choose retail, you'll also have to select a category of what kind of item you're making. Next, give us a quick description of your store. What kind of things are you selling? Now, time for a logo. You want to make it something catchy. Something that when people see on the app, they're gonna go, damn, I need to check them out. Finally, put in an address. It needs to be a UAE address, and you need to give us your phone number. Your address has now been added. Now, select it and click Next. With that, your store is complete. You're ready to list items and make some cash. Time to build up your brand. For more information, go to sellship.co. Thanks for watching.